Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix if your Windows display has a slight yellow tint to it. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Night Light. Best result should go back with Night Light. Go ahead and left click on that. And if it's currently turned on, you have this slight yellowish hue. Go ahead and select turn off now, and that should turn off that yellow appearance. And if scheduled night light is turned on, you can just go ahead and toggle that to the off position. So in case it just turns on at random times or seemingly random times, you can just go ahead and turn that off too. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.